Well, this is it. We don't have to wait till Unpacked to get our first real hands-on look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Yes, you are looking at the live, real hands-on look of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the flesh. As usual, this came from a Twitter account, and judging from the response from S24, it is the real deal. So guys, Galaxy S24 Ultra for the first time on camera. Right off the bat, the biggest visual change you can see is that new antenna band on the right hand side. This is the biggest distinguishing factor when you compare this to the last year's Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now pretty much everything is similar to the S23 Ultra in terms of the camera lens placement, as well as things like microphone and speaker grill, the positioning of the S Pen. It's all similar to last year's model. Same positioning for the power and volume rocker for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, it feels like the buttons are slightly more rounded compared to last generation, and that's probably because the sides are now even more flatter than before. Now if you're wondering what color is this on the S24 Ultra, well, I personally thought it's the gray color, but turns out it's actually titanium gold. And well, judging from the name of the color, we can pretty much say that the S24 Ultra sides are indeed made up of titanium. It's gonna feel great in hand and it will have better durability. Now we just got a very serious current upgrade regarding the cameras of the S24 Ultra. But before we move forward, the best deal of the year is here. Yes, the award-winning iMessy VPN is currently 90% off, plus just for you guys, we have a further 10% discount if you use the promo code Black Friday. With iMessy VPN, you get 5,700 plus servers in over 100 plus locations that are incredibly fast, secure, and person-to-person optimized for maximum performance. You can unblock 7 major Netflix regions including US, France, Japan, UK, Australia, Germany, and Canada. Plus, you can also unblock other platforms like Disney Plus, HBO Max, and more. You can enjoy multiple logins simultaneously on 10 devices with a single iMessy account. iMessy VPN supports all major platforms so you can stay connected everywhere. They have a decade-long experience with near 5 stars rating. And if you're someone like me who loves to travel and often uses public networks, iMessy VPN offers the perfect protection from hackers and cyber attacks. So don't miss this VPN deal of the year. They even offer 30 days money back guarantee. Definitely click the link in the description and check it out. Alrighty, now back to the concerning news regarding the cameras of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you know, Samsung is using a brand new 5x 50 megapixel sensor zoom, which on paper almost seems like a downgrade compared to S23 Ultra. According to S24, Galaxy S24 Ultra's new telephoto camera is having issues at 10x level where images are coming out all noisy. He further clarifies that the picture quality of the 5x is really good, but at 10x, it is disastrous. It's not clear whether it's a software or a hardware problem. This is very concerning because S24 Ultra has to produce better 10x images than the S23 Ultra from last year. If it fails to do that, then it's going to be a big problem for Samsung. Again, we are still 50 plus days away from the official Unpacked event, so quite a lot of time for Samsung to fix this issue. Hopefully we'll hear something positive regarding this situation very soon. Now we don't have any hands-on image where the device display was on, but rest assured, S24 says that when you light up the screen of the S24 Ultra, it's gonna look really good. So there we go, Galaxy S24 Ultra hands-on image live in the flesh, finally here. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and please do not forget about the VPN deal of the year. Check that out in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.